In the vast expanse of our solar system, far beyond the giant planets of Jupiter and Saturn, lies a small, icy world called Pluto. Discovered in 1930 by astronomer Clyde Tombaugh, Pluto immediately captured the imaginations of people around the world. It was hailed as the ninth planet, a distant and mysterious member of our cosmic family. For decades, Pluto held a special place in our understanding of the solar system. School children memorized its name alongside the other 8 planets. Pluto was a small but significant part of our celestial neighborhood. Pluto's reign as a planet was not to last, however. As telescopes became more powerful, astronomers began to discover other objects in the distant reaches of the solar system, objects that were similar in size and composition to Pluto. The discovery of these new objects, now known as Kuiper Belt objects, led to a debate among astronomers about what exactly defines a planet. Some argued that Pluto, with its small size and unusual orbit, didn't quite fit the bill. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union, the governing body responsible for classifying celestial objects, made a controversial decision. They decided to create a new category of objects called dwarf planets, and to reclassify Pluto as one of them. The IAU's decision was based on 3 main criteria for planethood. According to the IAU, a planet must orbit the Sun, be massive enough for its own gravity to pull it into a sphere, and have cleared its neighborhood of other objects. Pluto, it turned out, met the first 2 criteria, but not the third. Its orbit was populated by other Kuiper Belt objects, meaning it hadn't cleared its neighborhood, and so, Pluto was stripped of its planetary status and demoted to a dwarf planet. The decision to reclassify Pluto was met with mixed reactions. Some astronomers supported the IAU's decision, arguing that it was based on sound scientific principles. Others, however, felt that Pluto had been unfairly demoted, and that the IAU's definition of a planet was too narrow. The debate over Pluto's status is about more than just semantics. It raises fundamental questions about how we classify objects in space, and how we define our place in the cosmos. Despite its reclassification, Pluto remains a fascinating and important object of study for astronomers. It has a complex surface with mountains, plains, and even a possible subsurface ocean. It has 5 moons, including Charon, which is so large that Pluto and Charon are sometimes considered a binary system. Many scientists and members of the public continue to argue that Pluto should be reinstated as a planet. They point to its diverse geology, its atmosphere, and its complex system of moons as evidence that Pluto is much more than just a dwarf planet. The debate over Pluto's status is likely to continue for many years to come. But one thing is certain: Pluto, whether it's a planet, a dwarf planet, or something else entirely, will always hold a special place in our imaginations.